Welcome to this video on English idiomatic expressions. Language goes beyond mere words and grammar. It's a treasure trove of vibrant and distinctive phrases that infuse our conversations with richness and depth. In today's journey, we'll explore some of the most intriguing and frequently employed idiomatic expressions in the English language. These expressions transcend language. They offer us glimpses into the culture and inventive spirit of English speakers. So, let's embark on this exploration of the linguistic gems that make English a truly captivating language. Okay, let's begin. English idiomatic expressions. Stealing someone's thunder, taking attention away from someone. Stealing someone's thunder is an idiom that refers to the act of taking credit for someone else's ideas, achievements, or innovations, or prematurely revealing someone else's news, thereby undermining their moment of recognition or excitement. The phrase implies that the person who steals the thunder gains attention, praise, or admiration that rightfully belongs to someone else, often leading to feelings of frustration, disappointment, or resentment in the person whose thunder was stolen. This idiom highlights the importance of giving proper credit and recognition to individuals for their contributions and accomplishments. Here are the usages of the idiom, stealing someone's thunder, in various contexts. In the workplace, in professional environments, stealing someone's thunder often refers to instances where one individual takes credit for another person's ideas, efforts, or accomplishments. This can occur during meetings, presentations, or project discussions. The person whose thunder is stolen may feel undervalued and frustrated because their contributions are not recognized. This action can impact team dynamics, morale, and trust among colleagues. In social settings, in social contexts, this idiom is used when someone prematurely shares another person's news or achievements, thereby taking away their moment of glory. This typically happens in gatherings, parties, or on social media, where people often want to be the first to share exciting updates. The person affected may feel that their special moment has been diminished because they were not able to deliver the news themselves. In family dynamics, within family settings, stealing someone's thunder occurs when a family member reveals personal news or accomplishments before the person involved has the chance to do so. This can happen during family gatherings, conversations, or even through casual remarks. The person whose news is shared without their consent may feel overshadowed and disappointed, as their opportunity to share their achievements or significant updates is taken away, impacting familial relationships and individual satisfaction. Now, let's examine some examples of the idiom, stealing someone's thunder. During a team meeting, when Haley was about to present her innovative marketing strategy, her colleague John jumped in and explained it first, effectively stealing her thunder. At the awards ceremony, just before Oliver could announce his exciting new project, his partner made the announcement on social media, stealing his thunder. Natalie felt her thunder was stolen when her boss presented her detailed research findings as his own during the client meeting. Despite Jenny's meticulous planning for the surprise party, her sister inadvertently mentioned it to the birthday girl beforehand, stealing Jenny's thunder. After working tirelessly on the group project, Paul was disappointed when his classmate presented the collective efforts as solely his own, stealing Paul's thunder. For a better understanding and immersion, listen to the story to see how the idiom, stealing someone's thunder, is used in it. Stealing thunder, a tale of integrity and innovation. In a bustling marketing firm, Christina and Mark were both vying for a coveted promotion. Christina, known for her creativity and dedication, had been working tirelessly on a groundbreaking campaign for weeks. She shared her progress with her team, including Mark, hoping to get some constructive feedback. The day before the big presentation, Mark surprised everyone by unveiling a campaign strikingly similar to Christina's. He had taken her ideas and presented them as his own, effectively stealing her thunder. Christina was shocked and disheartened but decided to confront the situation with professionalism. During the presentation, the executives were impressed by Mark's campaign. However, Christina, determined not to let her hard work go unrecognized, calmly explained the origins of the ideas and presented her own detailed plans. The executives quickly realized that Mark had indeed been stealing someone's thunder. In the end, Christina's integrity and originality were rewarded. Mark was reprimanded, and Christina received the promotion she deserved. The incident served as a lesson to the whole office about the importance of honesty and the consequences of stealing someone's thunder. In the questions section, you should think about what we've learned and recall the knowledge so that you can answer the questions easily. So, read the questions and find the correct answer below. 1. What does the idiom, stealing someone's thunder, mean? A. Taking someone's possessions. B. Taking credit for someone else's idea or achievement. C. Interrupting someone while they're speaking. D. Starting an argument with someone. 2. In what scenario would someone be accused of stealing someone's thunder? A. When they finish a project on time. B. When they compliment someone's work. C. When they organize a meeting. D. When they present someone else's idea as their own. 3. Which phrase is synonymous with stealing someone's thunder? A. Giving credit where it's due. B. Walking on thin ice. C. Raining on someone's parade. D. Barking up the wrong tree. 4. Why might someone steal another person's thunder? A. To avoid conflict. B. To seek recognition or approval. C. To apologize for a mistake. D. To help a friend. As we conclude our exploration of English idiomatic expressions, I hope you've enjoyed this linguistic adventure. Idioms are the hidden treasures of any language, revealing the culture, history, and humor of its speakers. By understanding and using idioms, you not only become a more fluent communicator, but also gain insights into the soul of the English language. So, go ahead, break a leg, and start using these phrases to add richness and depth to your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms can be a piece of cake if you bite the bullet and practice regularly. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and until next time, happy idiom hunting.